Hey you there, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something that I read in the internet and for me it's so interesting. But before starting it properly saying, I have some things to tell you guys. Então, só para deixar claro que sou tutor de inglês, caso você necessite aprender o idioma, posso guiá-lo, ou se apenas necessita de aulas de conversação, também posso te ajudar. Vou deixar o meu e-mail aqui embaixo nos comentários, fixado como primeiro, para que você possa tirar qualquer dúvida que venha a ter. Agora, nós iremos para o vídeo só em inglês. I was reading about water and our bottle of water. Because all of us have, and some people have more than one. However, the question that the article arose is, do you clean it? Or do you understand that you have to clean the bottle of water? That's a question, and that's something that we normally don't think about it. Oh, I have to clean my bottle of water. No, we never think about this. And this is something that the article said, oh, it's wrong. You must clean it. And during this survey, they went out in the streets to ask people, do you clean? Or can we check if a bottle of water is clean or not? Surprisingly, many people said, no, I don't want you to check mine. And according to it, people said it because they already knew the truth, that it is so contaminated with bacteria and viruses that they don't want to know the truth, or they want to hide the poor hygiene habits. That's what the article said, not me. However, we normally think that, oh, it's just water in a bottle and there's no problem, there's no way of being contaminated with something, it's just water. However, the article emphasized that only a sip that we take, because the bacteria are in our mouth, even the viruses. When you take a sip of water in the bottle, of course, you are contaminating the water and not the other way around. However, when these bacteria get in contact with the immovable water, the water that is inside, it only, all the time that you were drinking or that you put water, that you fill the water or the bottle with water, it lasts something. You don't drink everything. Like some portions of water are still there. And when the bacteria get in contact with the water, it multiplies like so much. It's about millions of bacteria. Most of them are inoffensive, really. So they are not like dangerous for us, but some are. Especially, that's very important to understand and to hear at the same time. When we take a sip, when we drink from another person's bottle of water, it is so dangerous. We could be infected with some kind of viruses or even bacteria. The article said that we must clean our bottle of water to have it all the time something good and with a high quality. So normally we think, oh, it's just water. Yes, but and sometimes even the water are contaminated with something. When we go and drink every day and don't clean it, we are giving way for viruses and bacteria that, of course, most of them are inoffensive for us, but some can really harm us. Be careful, clean your bottle of water, and keep having a good quality of life. So that's what I wanted to talk about with all of you guys. If you agree or disagree with something that I said, please let a comment down below, and I'll love reading and replying to all of your comments. As I always say, thank you for being up to here. If you're still here with me, have a good morning, afternoon, evening and night. See you. But before saying bye, só te lembrar novamente da tutoria. Se você necessita aprender o idioma, posso te ajudar. E também com aulas de conversação. See you. Bye.